back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my skincare. So if you guys want to see what products I am using to upkeep my skin and why I use them, definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing is I already showered, brushed my teeth. I have not done any skincare. I have not washed my face or anything, so my face kind of feels kind of dry right now. But I'm going to go ahead and just use a clip and put my hair back. So the first thing that I have been using, the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser by Youth to the People. This cleanser is absolutely amazing. Chef's kiss, worth every penny. I know it's kind of pricey, but if you get the full bottle, that's going to last you a couple of months and you don't need a lot of products. So I definitely think this is worth the purchase. Recently I have been using the Advanced Nail Mucin Gel Cleanser. This is from Ulta. It's a little bit more affordable than the other one. The other one's like $49 for the full size and this one's $18. It's alright, you know, it does the job. It has not broke me out or anything like that, so I do like it so far. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face and then I'll be right back. Right, so here is my face, nicely, freshly cleansed. If you do have makeup on, I do recommend to double cleanse. I do not have my makeup remover with me, but any type of makeup remover before you cleanse your face will work. So the next thing that I do is I use a toner. It depends on what I'm going for, but lately I've been really liking this toner from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Toner. So this is what it looks like. I've used quite a bit. I actually really like this toner. It hasn't broke me out. It didn't like affect any like of the redness or make me break out in hives like red wise. I just take a little bit on my hands, rub it together, and then tap it on my face. With this product, I can honestly say that I've noticed a difference in like my pores. My pores did get a little bit smaller and less noticeable, so I really do recommend this toner. It also helps with like the glow. You know, your skin is gonna have a natural radiance to it. As you can see, that naturally just gives it to me. The thing that I do before I do any serums, because the under eye skin is very sensitive, so you want to protect it, I use the Derma E Hydrating Eye Cream. This, you guys, I was having creasing problems with my makeup, and when I started using this, I kid you not, it really worked. It helped with the hydration for my eyes, and it just stopped the creasing. And you know, you're still gonna crease, but like the longevity extended by far. So I take that much, and then I just put it on my ring fingers. I look up and get it into those little fine lines gently. Do not tug or pull. I just like to tap. Don't forget to get like this outer corner right here. Why? Because at the end of it, as you age, you get wrinkles no matter what, but you want to prevent them as long as possible. And this right here turns into like crow's feet, and we don't want that. So under the eyes, into the corner right here, please. And then sometimes I'll just rub that like my eyebrows and my forehead. So I've been liking the combination of a vitamin C serum and a hyaluronic serum. So I like hyaluronic serum for hydration and to lock in the moisture from any creams that I may use. Also, the vitamin C serum is really good for you. It's going to help promote cell turnover. It's going to help against UV damage, so like sun damage. It's going to help with like if you have any dark spots. Also, it's going to help produce collagen, because as we get older, our bodies produce it less and less. And so you want to be proactive and produce as much as you can while you can, because collagen is what keeps our skin looking as beautiful and plump as it can. So I like to use both of these together. I use these mainly at night. Sometimes I'll use the hyaluronic serum in the morning with like niacinamide, but during the nighttime I do combine these. I do the hyaluronic serum first. This is the Plump Glow Recipe Serum. This serum is so cute. It smells amazing, and I do notice that it hydrates my skin. So I just take a little bit of that and put it all over my face. If I have any leftover serum, I'll go ahead and put that on my neck, because whatever you put on your face, you want to drag down to your neck, because your neck is going to show your age faster than your face. Sadly, but true. So once that sinks in, I'll go in with the vitamin C serum. The one I'm using is the C Firma Day Serum from Drunk Elephant. So I know it says day serum, but you can honestly use it day or night. So I just take one pump of this bad boy, and it looks yellow. By that time, the hyaluronic serum is already dry. When using a vitamin C serum, you definitely want to remember to use an SPF because it just makes your skin a little bit more sensitive. And after I do my serums, if I'm done with what I'm going to use, I'll go in with a moisturizer. This is the Youth to the People Deep Moisture Cream. I'm not going to say the name because I'm going to butcher it, but this is what it looks like. And I always drag up because I don't want to create any wrinkles. Alright, so that's what we're looking like after our moisturizer. So the next thing that I'll do, I don't do this every night, but when I feel like my skin needs it a little bit more, I'll go ahead and use a mask. This is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask from Youth to the People. This mask, you guys, is very good. I've found that it literally makes me glow to the gods. When I wake up in the morning, it makes my skin look amazing. Super hydrated and plump, nice and glowy. Is just overall an amazing canvas for when you have to do your makeup the next day. Very beautiful. All right, and so after that, I'm deeply hydrated and ready to go to bed. So I like to put the most effort at nighttime because cell turnover is really high at nighttime. Your skin and your body are just reconstructing themselves throughout the nighttime to prepare for the next day. So that's why I focus a lot more on skincare at nighttime. So the lip mask that I'm using is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter, which looks like this. This smells so good, you guys, and it is very hydrating. I keep it in my skincare fridge because I like how thick it becomes and just the way it like melts with your body heat. It's just like a satisfying type of thing. I don't know. So the last step that I will do before I just walk out of this bathroom and leave my face alone is the Evian facial spray. So this spray right here is so good, you guys. I highly recommend it. It is so good. It literally refreshes my skin and keeps it hydrated. It doesn't cause me to break out or anything. I just feel like I'm misting my face with a nice splash of water, which your skin always needs water. Your whole body is really in need of water daily. So if you're not intaking a good amount of water, definitely start to do that because that's going to also help with your skin looking as radiant and as clear as possible. And that's it. That's my nighttime skincare routine. I really think that my skin thanks me at the end of the night for doing all the steps that I do. It looks amazing in the morning when I wake up, and it just feels overall really well, like really refreshed and just soothing because my skin is very sensitive and very red. So I feel like when it's very well hydrated with good clean ingredient products, it does, look its best and feel its best. So overall, that's what I use and I really like it. I highly recommend it. If you're wondering what products I used, I'll list them down below in the down bar for you guys. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up down below. That really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, definitely subscribe to my channel so you can become a part of my little family here on YouTube. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.